How to clear the cache in your iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can clear the cache into your iPhone. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your phone settings. Now from here you have to scroll down a little bit and here is the option of the general. Now from here you have to go in the iPhone storage and you have to click on this option of the offload unused app. Now you just have to click on this enable and it will be automatically offload the unused app when you are low in your storage, and after that you just have to go back. Now from here you have to again scroll down and here is the option of the Safari. You have to tap on it. Now you have to go in the clear history and the website data, and here you have to clear all of your history, and after that you just have to go back. Now from here you have to clear the cache from the specific apps like the Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube. From here you just have to open the apps and go in the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and here is the option of the clear data in the privacy controls. You have to click on it. Now from here you just have to clear the cache. Now basically all of your caches will be cleared and your Snapchat will be restart, but your memories backup won't be deleted. So you just have to clear the cache, and after that you have to again go into your phone settings and you have to go in the general and go in the software update. Now here you have to make sure that your automatic updates in the iOS is on, and you just have to restart your iPhone and you are able to clear all of your cache into your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.